Meaning of illuminate.
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 Illuminate. The word illuminate means to light up or brighten something, either literally or figuratively. When we illuminate an object or a space, it becomes easier to see and understand. Figuratively, we can also use the word to describe a situation where clarity or understanding is brought to a subject or issue. The result of illumination is that it brings knowledge, understanding, and clarity to something that was once obscured or difficult to perceive. It can help us gain new insights and perspectives, and lead to greater understanding and growth.